Good morning, everyone, and welcome to July 2nd. My hair is like doing something, but I have to go for a run. I got like a tempo run thing I'm doing, so I'll meet you back here when I'm done. I don't really want to take my phone with me because it's raining out. So yeah. Okay, it was really good run. Really warm though. I just have to go do my stretches and then see what I can do from there. I might actually try and get some scholarship stuff done today, unless I get to like go do something with somebody, but I'm not sure what that would be. So right now, scholarships is the plan. That's what's gonna I think happen. Just get through at least 2 pages of checking which ones I want to use. You'll see, maybe hopefully. So yeah, time to go do some stretches. So the plans have changed already. We're gonna go into Vancouver. I'm just eating some eggs. Yeah. So that's what we're doing now. So everything's packed, ready to go. Shoes are just not the nice cool pink ones, those are my mom's, but the black ones. Right there. Those are mine. It's a really nice day out. Like, it's a little cold, a little windy, but I think it's gonna be really nice out. Okay, so now we're just heading over to Granville Island. And yeah, I'll see you there. Oh, going. We got some donuts here, ready to go. Behold the largest outdoor pool in North America. See, I can't even get the whole thing. Here, wait, let's move over here. There you go. It used to be bigger. They had to make it smaller. All salt water. Oh yeah, there's the ocean right behind it. Hopefully next week, or maybe during the week this week, try and get out here and go actually swimming, but it's too late today. It's not that warm, it's kind of windy. Okay, we're back. Just ran into a little bit some problems with the vehicle, like the engine warning came on, but we'll deal with that later. We're all good now. We're back. I'm tired. I have a race tomorrow. It's I'm running an 800 and a 400. Yeah, should be good. That's gonna do it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed. I wanted to fly the drone, but it would have been illegal. I didn't want to be arrested or fined. So hopefully you understand. I'll see you tomorrow. I got a race. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.